Hey everyone, welcome back to T-Auto, your go-to channel for everything cars, maintenance, and performance. If you've noticed your gas mileage getting worse, you're not alone. It seems like common sense to say cars lose efficiency as they age, but the truth is, it's not just age. It's poor maintenance that usually causes fuel economy to drop off a cliff. Today, we're breaking down 7 common reasons why your car's gas mileage is going down, and what you could do to fix it. Let's get into it. First up, fuel injectors. These little nozzles spray fuel into your engine cylinders in a precise mist. But over time, they can get dirty or clogged, causing them to spray unevenly, kind of like a shower head with low pressure. The result? Poor fuel-air mixture and reduced engine efficiency. Sometimes a good cleaning is enough. Other times, you may need to replace them. Next, your engine needs to breathe, literally. A clogged air filter makes it harder for your engine to pull in air, which means it burns more fuel to go the same distance. Older cars especially suffer from this, but can affect newer ones too. Check your owner's manual, but in general, replace your engine air filter every 15 to 30,000 miles. Your car's oxygen sensor monitors exhaust gases to help maintain the perfect air-fuel ratio. But when that sensor gets dirty or fails, it can send the wrong signals to your car's computer, telling it to burn too much fuel. That alone can hurt fuel economy by up to 40%. If your check engine light is on, this might be the issue, and thankfully, O2 sensors are affordable and easy to replace. Fuel filters trap gunk and debris before it reaches your engine. But when the filter itself gets clogged, it restricts fuel flow, hurts engine performance, and you guessed it, kills gas mileage. If your car is older, be sure to replace the fuel filter every 30,000 miles or every 2 years. Don't skip it. Your ignition system, spark plugs, coils, wires, is what actually makes the fuel explode in your engine. If these parts wear out, the engine can misfire, wasting gas because some of the fuel doesn't burn at all. Common symptoms include rough idling, lack of power, or stumbling when accelerating. Spark plugs are usually the first to go and the easiest to replace. There's a myth that older engines need thicker oil to prevent leaks. While high-mileage oils do have seal conditioners, using oil that's too thick can increase internal friction, lowering fuel economy. Always stick with the oil type recommended in your owner's manual and change it regularly. Yes, high-mileage oils help with leaks, but they may also cost you some MPG. Last but not least, the mass airflow sensor, or MAF. It measures the amount of air entering the engine, helping your car adjust fuel injection. But if it's dirty, the engine might run too rich, burning more fuel than necessary. Use a special MAF cleaning spray and clean it carefully. It's a small step that can make a big difference in MPG. There you have it, 7 reasons your gas mileage might be taking a dive. Regular maintenance is the key to keeping your car running like new, even past 100,000 or 200,000 miles. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more car tips and tricks from T-Auto. Drop a comment if you've noticed any of these problems, or if you fixed one and saw your MPG jump back up. Until next time, drive smart and stay safe. Thanks for watching.